Hello friends, hi. Today we discuss about the basic concepts of JavaScript. The first topic was the variables. We can declare the variables in the three ways by using the var, let and constant. That's in JavaScript, a variable is a container used to store the data values. Variables allow you to reference and manipulate the data throughout your code that can store the data, something which is given by us. First one, we can declare the variables in the by using the var keyword, and this var keyword, let var keyword a is equal to Ganesh. It can this variable a can be used throughout the program, and this variable a can be declared and redeclared and updated. We can update another variable type age by using the let. We take the variable let be equal to Rama. It can be updated but can't be reused. Let's see, let b, it shows an error because it can't be redeclared, only can reuse it or update it. With the constant, that means we declare the variability as a constant variable. Then the d is equal to Ramesh. This is the variable is constant throughout the program, entire program, where we can use this variability. It can be constant, it can't be changed. If we change it, it shows an error. It can't be print out the changed value. The next topic was the arrays. Array is the collection of values or the strings or the numbers. We can declare the array by using a name of the array equal to the square brackets. Inside we can write the numbers or all strings. What we can write different types of numbers or the values also we can assign to the array. Let I take and let flowers equal to the some flowers in the array, and these can be accessed by the console.log flowers. Let's see, let run. It will print this: the rose, jasmine, lotus, lily. The flowers I can give into the rose, jasmine, lotus, lily. It can print here. And flowers too, we can access the arrays by the indexing. And the arrays, the indexing is starting from the 0 to length of the array minus 1, that means 0 to, that is length of the array is 4, the 4 minus 1 3. This array is indexing from 0 to 3. We can access these by indexing. We can access the lotus by indexing 2, because that value of the indexing of lotus is 2. By the flowers 2, it prints the here, seeing the output, the lotus, it can print the lotus. And by indexing we can update the value of the, or we can update the string which is given by me. At the index 0 I give the rose at first, but I change into a nested tulip. You can see the output, the rose will change into the tulip. Also same thing, we can add the extra values to the array. I add by using the dot push keyword, flowers dot push. This is sunflower. This sunflower is added to the end of the array. You can see in the output here, the sunflower added is the last of the array. Now we go to the functions. The function is a block of code designed to perform a specific task. In this function we use this several times by calling its function name or the function keyword, which is we declared here. We see the example of this function. We can declare the function like this using function keyword, and I give the function name is a multiplication and I can pass the two attributes. Only these attributes can be used through this function only, not entire code. Okay, in this function I can use the attributes like multiplication both. It returns the a into b. Finally I print the console log of 9 into 3, which it prints the 27. Let's see in the output. It prints here. It's print 27 output as an output. We can use this function by calling its function name and the attributes, or by passing through the attributes. Let us go through the objects. An object is a collection of properties. An object in a JavaScript is a collection of properties where each property is a key and value pair. Objects are used to group related data. That means, let us take an object. It can be declared by using let or the variable we can use. Let students. I give the data of the student, some data of the students, by taking it as an object. In the object we can declare this way, and let some keywords and pay keyword and values. And the student name was the Jyotir Ganesh, and his date of birth was this, and marks. And I also in the function, inbuilt function also I created, that is the greeting. That means it greets the function. It returns the hello, and this dot mean you can access this name or the keyword key for the value of Jyotir Ganesh. This can be accessed like this dot name in the inbuilt function, in the greeting function. Okay, in the outside we can access the like the student dot greet. We can access the greet as a student dot greet. It can console, it can print in output. And there is a date of birth, you can access student or date of birth. All this type also you can access student in square bracket or double dots name. You can access this like also the objects or the keys in the student. And we can also update the value of the key in the object like this. I can change the 88 marks into the 90 marks. You can observe here. Let's run this program. Simple program. You can observe in the output. In the output it can print the hello Jyotir Ganesh got, that's a greeting function, and my his date of birth and his name and marks. I updated his marks 88 to 90, then it prints the 90 marks. Okay, let's go to our final topic, loops. The loops are used to execute a block of code. Repeatedly. It can use it to repeat the block of code for several times. But I want to print the number from 1 to 6. We cannot write the console log 1, console log 2, console log 3. It is a heavy process. We can use instead of that loops. I use the for loop. The for loop you can declare in this way for a parenthesis. In the first of all you can use initialization, then you can condition. Let's increment or the decrement it will be. That's the I print the I for the each one. Then if we will be run, it gives the 1, 2, 3 up to 4, up to 5. It will less than 6. It means up to 5 it gives. You can observe here 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I initial value is 0, so it started from. Now we discuss about the while loop. Here I wrote the while loop. We declare the while loop in this type like this. I declared the while loop. In the while loop you can type the conditions, and inside the while loop you can give the some code. I give the sum of the ones which can repeat every 0 to 9 a value, that gives sum of the 9 ones, that will answer will be 9. Okay, let run the code. It simply gives the value is 10. The sum of the one, that is 0 to 9, that is the number will be 10. updates that a equal to 1. Now it prints the 9. Sum of the numbers 10. Okay, so it gives including 1 also. Total number of ones will be 10. Okay, next we will go to the do while loop. That is the do while loop is also declared like this. First we can in do while loop declare the do, and the first it can initiate the first step. That means without checking the conditions, direct go to the program what we are writing the do condition. Okay, then starting it will print the n plus 1. Then it check the conditions. If n less than 10, it again goes to the do. It will not true, then it will be stop here and break here. So do while loop is like this. First we can declare the do and we write the initial code here, and the last we write while loop, and in this while loop we can write the condition. In this while loop I print the sum of ones here also. Let's see controllers. I think here also you can 10, 11 because of starting from the 0. Okay, thank you for